Hi, I'm Kim from Master Spas. Today, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to drain your hot tub. Master Spas recommends draining your hot tub every 6 months. However, if you're working harder to keep your chemicals balanced or the water has lost its clarity, you may need to drain it sooner. Are you ready to get started? Let's get to it. Remember, turn off the power to your hot tub before draining. There are 3 ways to drain your hot tub. You can use the internal drain assembly, use a sump pump, or just siphon it out with a garden hose. For this project, you are going to need a drill with square bits 1 and 2, garden hose or sump pump, shop vac, and microfiber cloth. First, we're going to go over the internal drain assembly. You can find the internal drain assembly behind the skirt panel on the front side of the spa. Can I let you in on a little secret? It's the same side as the control panel. To access the drain, you'll need to remove the front skirt panel. Use a screwdriver or drill to take out the panel screws. You will find the drain assembly inside the equipment bay. Remove the cap and attach a garden hose to the end of the drain assembly. Place the other end of the hose away from your hot tub. To start the flow of water, twist the face counterclockwise and pull out slightly. Now it's time to wait. The time to drain your hot tub will vary, but it can take a few hours. Make sure to keep your spa covered while it drains to protect it from debris and damage, especially if you leave it unsupervised. Make yourself comfortable and enjoy some good old relaxation. Once the water has stopped, put the valve back to the fully closed position, remove the hose, and reattach the drain cap. Don't forget to check that there is no water leaking from the drain assembly. Then replace the skirting panel. Are you running short on time? Using a sump pump can help you drain your hot tub more efficiently. While it's faster than using the internal drain, it's also useful when the hot tub is in an area where you can't easily access the internal drain. Connect the hose to the sump pump and carefully lower it into the bottom of the hot tub, taking care not to damage the spa shell. Run the discharge end of the hose to a desired location away from your hot tub. Plug the pump into a grounded outlet and let it flow. But don't run off. You need to stick close to the spa when using a sump pump. Once the pump has stopped removing water, you'll want to turn it off and disconnect it. The last method to draining your spa is siphoning. Just use your garden hose and gravity to get the water out. This method is nice because it's simple and doesn't require close monitoring like a sump pump. Draining your hot tub is the perfect opportunity to clean the interior of your spa. Use a shop vac to remove any remaining pockets of water. A microfiber cloth is helpful for wiping down the acrylic and cleaning any areas that need it. That's it. Now it's time to fill your hot tub with fresh water. We hope this guide helped. Be sure to check out our other videos on filling your hot tub and balancing the chemicals. Be sure to reference your owner's manual or go to masterspas.com/resources. And until next time, relax. It's Master Spas.